Morning, humans. It's 6:30 in the morning. We're in the shop doing these pinking shears. And one of the questions we get asked is, when do we know when it's time to sharpen our scissors or pinking shears? Two things. Listen to it. Hear how quiet that is? Almost no thing. Or you're going to hear this little shh sound. That's all you're after. If you're hearing crunchy, grabby noises from your shears or scissors, it's time to have them sharpened and serviced. Also, watch this. Look how clean that cut is. I'll bring this in a little bit better. There it goes. Look how clean. There's no tears. There's no scuffs. You want to make sure that the edge cuts cleanly through the cloth or the paper or whatever you're cutting. And if you look at it carefully, you'll see where there are problems in there. So if it's starting to grab as you're cutting, it's time to get it into the shop. So 293-8293. Send them to me. Send the mail. Bring it to me in the shop. But that's the difference on how you can tell when your scissors need sharpening.